How to reset Fantasy Premier League password. Let's get started. Launch your Premier League app. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of more. You will see the option of sign in or create new account. Click on that option. Now go ahead and type in your email address over here. After you type in the email address, click on the option of forgot your password. You'll be directed to this page. Again, type in the email address over here that is linked with your account and then click on reset my password. Now you will be receiving mail from Fantasy Premier League, so close this and check your mail. You can see that I have received the password reset mail. You'll also receive the similar kind of mail. Open the mail and then click on the option of change password. Now go ahead and type a new password for your account. Confirm your new password. Make sure your password includes all these characters. After you are done, click on change my password option. And with that, your password has been reset. Now you can click on login, type in your credentials and log into your account. So this is how you can easily reset Fantasy Premier League password. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.